Hello and welcome to my video on installing the web enrollment service on Windows Server 2012. So the first thing we do is log on to 412 Server 2, which is what we're logged on to right now. I'm going to go ahead and open up Server Manager. I'm going to wait for that to load, and then a notification flag should come up. Okay. Because we've already set up one part of certificate services, but we're going to go ahead and set up the web part. So we want to go ahead and click the Configure Active Directory Certificate Services on the destination server link. Going to accept the default credentials. And in the role services, we're going to go ahead and click Certificate Authority Web Enrollment. Certification Authority Web Enrollment. And we're going to click Next. Confirmation window just tells us what we're going to configure. We're going to go ahead and hit Configure on that. Should take just a couple seconds. Alright, that is correctly configured. We're going to go ahead and close that out now. And we're not going to configure additional services. Alright, so we need to go to Tools and the new IIS Manager, Internet Information Services. Because in order for the web server to work, it needs a web server certificate. So we need to go ahead and open this up and make sure it gets issued one. So we're just waiting for that to load up here real quick. Alright, and it looks like it's already set up, but we need to go ahead and click this node for 412 Server 2 over here. Alright, and in the middle pane, we're going to go ahead and go down until we see Server Certificates. We're going to double click that. We're just going to wait for that to load. Alright, and over here in the action pane, we are going to create a domain certificate. Alright, so we have all the information here. So the common name is going to be 412 server 412 dom1.local. The organization is going to be server 2012 412 class. Organizational unit is going to be my name. The city locality is going to be the city where I live. State province is going to be my state or province, and then the country or region is going to be the US, of course. Now we're going to go ahead and click Next. Okay, and it's gonna, we need to select the online certification authority, so we're going to go ahead and go to select 412 DOM1 412 server 2 CA, certificate authority. And we're going to go ahead and click OK, and in the friendly name box, we're going to go ahead and type 412 server 2 412 dom1.local. And then we're going to click Finish. It's going to go ahead and create that certificate. Alright, so on the left side here, we're going to go ahead and click the Sites node. And we're going to right-click Default Website. And we're going to edit the bindings there. Okay, it doesn't have an edit bindings button, but we're going to go ahead, unless it needs to come down to here. Alright, there we go, edit bindings. And we have a site bindings box, so we're going to go ahead and add one. And we're going to make sure we use HTTPS for the security. And our SSL certificate is going to be the 412 server 2 412 dom1.local. And we don't need to type in a host name. We're just going to go ahead and go with this and hit OK. Alright, and then we're going to close this, and then we're going to expand that default website. We're going to click on certificate cert serve, certificate server, and we're going to click SSL settings right here, and we're going to double click it. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and check the require SSL dialog box. And we're going to leave it at the default of ignore. And then we're going to go ahead and click apply in the action pane here. And the changes have been successfully saved. Alright, so we got that set up. We're going to close that manager, and then we're going to pop over to 412 Windows 8. We're logged on as test cert, which is the one we need to be logged on as. Just going to take a second to get that logged in. Just bear with me while it goes through there. Alright, so we're logged onto the server here. And we're going to go ahead and open up an Internet Explorer window. Oops. Did not mean to do that. Hold on one second while I close that out. Sorry, it's running so slow. I have 3 servers running at the current time, so it's going to take a bit to load everything up. Alright, so we're going to open up Internet Explorer. And once that opens up, we are going to enter a URL that should take us to the certificate server so we can view and also request a certificate. Sorry about the wait. Internet Explorer is slow, slow, slow. I'm going to go ahead and give a brief pause while it loads up and I load up that website so you can see what it looks like. So just bear with me, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. Internet Explorer was running quite slow because of the fact that they have having 3 servers open simultaneously. So this is what the certificate services web enrollment looks like. When I opened the page, it just asked for a user. I logged in as test cert user. And what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and request a certificate by clicking the link down here. Alright, and it's going to ask us to select the certificate type. We're going to click user certificate. Alright, and it says no additional information is required. I'm going to go ahead and click submit here. And we're going to go ahead and click yes in the confirmation dialog box. It's going to take a second for that to go through, I'm guessing. Alright, for some reason it's not doing it. Let's try hitting submit again. There we go. I guess I didn't hit yes. Alright, we're going to click install the certificate. Alright, and I guess it's not showing what it should show because it's saying that I should see a message stating that the CA is not trusted. For some reason it didn't pop up, so obviously the certificate authority is trusted. And it didn't ask me if I wanted to open cert.new.sur, but it's what it should do if you had a CA that was not trusted and you generated a certificate through WebEnrollment. Alrighty, well that concludes my video on using the WebEnrollment service for the certificate authority in order to get a certificate for a user. I hope you found it enjoyable, I hope you learned something, and I hope you have yourself a great day.